OpenAI just released ChatGPT Atlas that has built-in AI. But is it actually better than Chrome? After spending hours on Atlas, I discovered 5 features that blew me away, and 5 deal breakers you definitely need to see before switching. Towards the end, I will show you one setting you should turn off right after logging in. Otherwise, ChatGPT will use your data for their model training. It allows AI to take actions directly inside your browser. Need to fill out a form or make changes in the spreadsheets? Just ask. It can literally move your mouse pointer and do it for you. This feature is only available for Plus, Business, and Pro plans. ChatGPT can actually see the page you're on and answer your questions right there in the sidebar. No more switching tabs or copying and pasting things into the ChatGPT website. You can even drop a screenshot into the chat with just one click. Atlas can actually remember what you've been working on across different sites. You can ask inside chat where you left off and continue from there. It can recall pages you visited or even summarize what you were researching last week. You can view, archive, or delete these memories anytime from settings. Atlas feels instantly familiar because it's built on Chromium, the same foundation as Chrome. All your usual shortcuts, like Command plus Shift plus T to reopen a closed tab or Command plus L to focus on the address bar, work exactly the same. With one click, you can import all your Chrome data into Atlas, and even your extensions will work just like before. If you're a Chrome user, you'll feel right at home. ChatGPT can also help as you write in any open text field. It offers inline edits and suggestions. You can select text inside a text field and ask ChatGPT to improve the prompt or ask it to rewrite your emails. There are some great features, but there are also some significant drawbacks that can be deal breakers. Right now, Atlas is only supported on Mac. They mentioned that the support for Windows, iOS, and Android is coming soon, and there is absolutely no plan for Linux. So as of today, if you're not on a Mac, you won't be able to try Atlas yet. The lack of multi-profile support is a big issue for me. I use different profiles on Chrome to keep my work and personal accounts separate. OpenAI has said it's on the roadmap, but until then, it's a major inconvenience, at least for me. Even though Atlas has features to stop ChatGPT from accessing sensitive websites, I still wouldn't trust it with banking information or anything personal. The potential risk of an information leak, even if small, is just too high for my comfort. Despite being built on Chromium, many users on X and Reddit have reported that Chrome extensions don't always work as expected. So, if you rely heavily on your favorite extensions, you might get disappointed when switching to Atlas. Some users online have said Atlas feels like just Chrome with a few AI plugins. And honestly, I kind of agree. Agent mode isn't even available in the free plan, and you can get similar functionality through third-party extensions. So right now, completely switching browsers just for one AI feature doesn't make a lot of sense to me. As I mentioned at the start of this video, if you do decide to install Atlas, make sure you turn off model training on your data in settings. It's on by default, which means ChatGPT can use your browsing data for training unless you disable it manually. Personally, I've decided not to switch from Chrome, at least for now. Atlas is fun to experiment with, and it definitely shows where browsers are headed. But until we see some major, game-changing updates, I'll stick with what works. If you got any value out of this video, hit subscribe.